Hi everybody and welcome to this inspiration software tutorial from Biggerplate.com. In this tutorial we're going to look at how you can use topic notes in your inspiration mind maps to add extra depth and detail without cluttering up the surface level of your mind maps. So let's take a look. When building out your mind maps, an important goal is to keep the number of words on the page to a minimum by using just a few keywords in each topic or even just one word sometimes. However, in some cases we need to add extra depth and detail to our mind maps, perhaps an entire section of text or a quotation that we feel is important. Now, the risk is if we add lots of this text into our inspiration mind maps, we're going to lose that nice, simple summary view and end up with too many big blocks of text in our mind map. This is where the topic notes feature is so useful. It helps us to add a lot of extra depth and detail into our inspiration documents without cluttering up the surface level of the mind map. You can attach notes to any and every topic in your mind map and store lots of extra information just beneath the surface but accessible any time. To add notes to any topic, you can simply right-click on the topic and see here in this menu the option to add/edit note. You'll then see this little yellow notepad appears, and I can add lots of extra text into here without creating clutter on the surface level of my mind map. Once I've finished writing my note, I can click the little X icon here and the note is folded away. But you can see here a little symbol has been added to the topic to tell me that there's a note to be viewed here, and if I click the icon, the notepad opens up again. So you can see how we can save lots of extra text here on any topic in the mind map without being overwhelmed by how much text or information is on the page at once. It's worth saying, if you prefer, you can also access the Add Note option from the main menu up here. To delete a note that you've added into your mind map, you just need to open up the note, delete the text within it, and then close the notepad. You'll see the little notes icon is no longer on the topic. So there you have it, a very quick look at the Notes feature within Inspiration, a great way to add extra depth and detail to your mind maps without overwhelming your clean visual summary. I hope you found this video useful. For more resources to help you go further with mind mapping, visit biggerplate.com.